This is Crypto.com, and it can be the next 10x crypto project.
Here comes the money. Here we go.
They have partnered with major brands like UFC, Formula One, and LA Lakers. They're also running massive ad campaigns with megastars like Matt Damon. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 3 reasons why this project can be extremely successful and return us huge profits. As always, I have timestamps down below, but I would highly recommend you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any gems. Crypto.com has recently started a 100 million advertising campaign to bring in mainstream customers to their platform. Whether you like watching basketball, Formula One, or mixed martial arts, you will see the Crypto.com branding somewhere. This makes us wonder, what exactly is Crypto.com? And what services are they advertising? Crypto.com is a one-stop shop for all our decentralized needs. They have credit cards, NFTs, crypto wallet services like trading and staking, and even cool perks like Netflix access and so on. Basically, anything we can think of, it probably already exists in the Crypto.com ecosystem. In addition to all of the features, they got an award in 2019 for being the first cryptocurrency company to acquire ISO certification. This is a list of all the certificates they have. I'm not going to go through them all, but you get the gist of it. Because of Crypto.com's great track record of exceptional security, they have landed a record $360 million insurance deal, which is one of the largest crypto insurance deals in the space. Now that you have a solid understanding of Crypto.com, let's get into the top 3 reasons why this is a great investment. My first reason, Crypto.com is highly undervalued. The 2 main competitors to Crypto.com are Binance and Coinbase, and they are giants in the crypto space. For comparison, Coinbase has a $57.7 billion market cap. Binance, on the other hand, has a $91.4 billion market cap, and Crypto.com only has a $15.1 billion market cap. This right here tells us that Crypto.com has an extremely high potential for growth, but it doesn't tell us the whole picture. If we compare Crypto.com's services to, for example, Coinbase, we can see that Crypto.com is just as good, if not better. Here is a table with a head-to-head comparison. First, and the biggest difference between the platforms comes down to cost. Crypto.com keeps it simple, using the maker-taker model, with rates ranging from 0.04% to 0.4% for maker fees, and 0.1% to 0.4% for taker fees. On the other hand, Coinbase charges a maker-taker fee of 0.5%. plus a variable or fixed Coinbase fee, based on the funding type or region. And then right here we have a comparison of transaction fees. On Crypto.com, bank account, wallet conversion fee, ACH transfer, wire transfer, and crypto conversion are all free, while Coinbase has some charge for most of them. The next thing to compare would be currencies. Coinbase offers around 150 currencies, where Coinbase offers around 100 currencies. Security-wise, they're both the same. They both have the best security. Wallet authentication is almost the same as well. They both support the same transaction, and lastly, the monthly trading amount can't be compared. If I showed you this table and asked you to guess the market cap of these 2 platforms, you will probably guess that they both either have the same market cap or that Crypto.com has a bigger one. Looking at this table, and also from personal use, I can say that Crypto.com offers services of the highest quality. The only thing it lacks is total users. Coinbase has around 56 million users, while Crypto.com has 10 million. Once Crypto.com reaches 56 million users, it should have a similar market cap to Coinbase. Crypto.com is very proactive with this, by signing huge deals with major mainstream companies, which brings me to my second reason. The second reason being, Crypto.com has huge sponsorships. Before I get into it, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the best investment opportunities. The only thing Crypto.com is lacking compared to its competitors is its low usership, but that's about to change. Crypto.com has made huge deals in the mainstream market, which its competitors have not yet done. Companies like Coinbase and Binance have far more or less advertised only in the crypto space, while Crypto.com has taken on a more global approach and marketed in all major industries in over 20 countries. Because of this, they definitely have a huge jumpstart when it comes to mainstream marketing. In July, Crypto.com partnered with UFC to become the organization's first ever global official fight kit partner, allowing them to brand UFC fight kits used by UFC athletes in competition. Crypto.com will have significant visibility in front of UFC's worldwide fan base of over 625 million people and over 150 million social media followers. Another huge deal that is in the works right now is that the Staples Center will be renamed to Crypto.com Arena for a reported $700 million deal. This will be the richest naming rights deal in sports history. This arena is home for many sports teams, including LA Lakers and NHL's Kings. With this deal and the UFC deal, they will be part of all major sports in America. Crypto.com is not leaving Hollywood behind either. They have launched a $100 million advertising campaign, with Matt Damon at its face. Like I mentioned previously, the only reason why Crypto.com has a market cap much lower than that of Coinbase and Binance is that it doesn't have high usership. With all these massive sponsorship deals, an exponential growth in Crypto.com's usership is inevitable. This is what the CEO of Crypto.com had to say about their sponsorship deals. The timing of this campaign coincides with the early stages of mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency, something we've been hard at work to advance since our founding 5 years ago. We are very excited to introduce our company to a global audience, inviting them to our secure platform with a message focused on financial independence and self-determination. No other crypto company has taken marketing to such a grand scale. Everyone else is comfortable staying in their little crypto bubble and are not daring enough to explore the mainstream markets. Crypto.com is the lone wolf in the space, so it'll be very exciting to see how it performs. As I have mentioned previously, Crypto.com is not operating in a small niche, but instead has a big ecosystem with a variety of products and services to offer to its customers. This makes them very robust because they're not dependent on just one source of income to survive. Let's look at some of their revenue-generating products. Visa Card. They have several card tiers that work the same as any other Visa card. These cards offer up to 8% CRO rewards on purchases, depending on the amount of CRO staked. To make them more appealing to the mainstream, the cards have benefits such as access to Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Airbnb, amongst many others. Crypto Pay. It allows users to pay any merchant with their own pay checkout, buy rare NFTs, shop for gift cards, top up mobile airtime, send crypto to friends for free, while earning up to 10% back in CRO tokens. Another product they offer is Crypto Credit. Like I mentioned at the start of the video, Crypto.com has the best security available, and this has allowed them to have the biggest insurance deal in crypto. Thanks to this, non-US based users can borrow up to 50% of their crypto collateral with a crypto loan. Overall, Crypto.com has top-of-the-line products and services, massive sponsorship deals, and is still highly underrated. All of these reasons make it a great investment opportunity in my opinion. Of course, I would highly recommend you all to do your own research as well before investing. One thing to keep in mind before buying is that CRO runs on the Ethereum blockchain, which has ridiculously high gas fees right now, so just be prepared for them. And that wraps it up for today's video. If this video was helpful and gave you a good insight on Crypto.com, Then make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay up to date with the latest investment opportunities. Also, share your opinion in the comment section below. Do you think Crypto.com will be a success or a bust? I would love to hear your opinions and have a conversation with you all. Until next time, take care and keep investing.